Don't learn Python randomly. Follow this roadmap to become a full-stack developer. Start with Python basics: variables, loops, functions, and object-oriented programming. Build small programs to practice. Then master data structures like arrays, stacks, queues, and linked lists. This is very important for coding interviews. Next, learn backend development using Django or Flask. Understand APIs, routing, and server-side logic. After that, learn Frontend, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and basics of responsive design to build user interfaces. Understand databases like MySQL or MongoDB. Learn how to store, retrieve, and manage data efficiently. Learn Git and GitHub for version control. Track your code, manage changes, and collaborate with others. Finally, build real-world projects like websites, APIs, or full-stack apps to gain practical experience.